Hindi kita.
Hindi nyo na wala. Pag nag-start na kami, saka mo na yung gawa, titignan na kita.
Kami na.
Doon ka, hindi.
Tama kami, wala nga. Good afternoon.
Sige na, sige na.
Diyan may pamilya.
How about you? How are you?
Ano rin po?
Okay, let's start our interview.
Your first question.
Can you tell us something about yourself?
About myself, I am a retired teacher for 5 years already. I work in Barangay Hall for 16 years old. No. I work in Barangay Hall for 11 years as Barangay Librarian and Treasurer.
How do you motivate yourself and stay motivated?
I motivated myself by seeing the youth in the community. For example, in our library, we established our library because of the youth that cannot pursue in studying because of their economic problem. So we established our barangay library.
Ma'am, what's the major regret that you have in life?
Regret? I think I had no regret.
Okay. How about your accomplishment that you are proudest of? What's an accomplishment?
Accomplishment as a teacher, I am for the pupils who are fully content, and as far as I'm concerned, we always won the contest. First, second, or third class. And I am also, because of the barangay youth, I cannot remember the barangay youth I cannot remember the contest for the barangay youth that held in cultural center, and they won third place. And as a barangay official, in 1900, we won the barangay services as I am the treasurer. And in 1902, we won the barangay library in the division. And 2002, we won the library as first regional as teacher coordinator. And this 2000, latest is 2010. 2010 to 10. Yes, si barangay chairman is si barangay Dinalopas. I am the secretary of the women who won the first place in the first place in the PA. And I am the representative of the teacher in the Galing Award in the Gatan Elementary. Teacher representative. in the Galing Award.
So, how do you define success?
Success means that you become rich. For me, success is the fruitful resource that you gave to the community and to the youth.
What advice do you have for someone just starting out in your field?
Starting,
Advice.
love your work, love the youth, and have vision in life. Have vision.
What do you do? What are the duties, functions, responsibilities of your job as a teacher?
As a teacher, I'm responsible for the growth and development, mental and mentally and physically for the youth. And I'm responsible also for giving knowledge, widening their knowledge or increasing their knowledge. And also to be faithful to their as a student to finish their studies.
How did you get started? How did you get started?
Okay. At first, I'm not interested with my profession, but because of lack of financial incapable, I finished my ETCBSE just in our town, in the Pacific Area. And unluckily, I am a substitute only for 5 years. And then I had my item after 5 years, and that is the beginning of my career.
And why did you decide to work in school? What school?
At first, during my first item, I worked in I thought in the first item is in Bembang Elementary School. Then I go to Sanbucas Elementary School, and then Pinagkawitan Elementary School until I was transferred to
We are satisfied with our question.
Yes. I'm satisfied because with my answer, maybe you can gain knowledge to your interview.
Thank you, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you, ma'am. Kung may kailangan pa, tagdagan natin sa Tagalog, inyong English, na nakaitunan.
Dito.
Wait.
Ba't na?
Lakas na. Picture na lang.